So today I guess I lied to you guys because I said I had my last unboxing before and I didn't. It was now, and maybe another one because I ordered some more stuff from from Twilight Gardening Wax. But anyway, we have a shipment from Aluring Elixirs. This is the first shipment I've ever had from them. So let's take a peek at what's inside. Let me say that this stuff was really nicely wrapped, so I had to unwrap it in order to save time. So this is the first item that we have. This is Diagon Alley Mini. This was, I'm trying to check my invoice, $5.99. Next we had, so I bought two of these. This is her, I just checking because sometimes they're not named the same way as I assume they are. I would have called it Olaf, but she calls it Snow Day because copyright stuff. And then I think she sent me Diagon Alley. This is probably the regular size one, and then she sent me the mini probably for free because I only ordered one, but I got two. This is Diagon Alley, so now I have these two. Very pretty. I love that color, by the way. We have Dark Kiss. Oh, that scent sounds amazing. But here it is, and look how cutely, so cute. How cutely she decorated it. And this, oh, Yoda. She calls it, oh, Yoda, okay. Scented in jewel fur. Jeweled fur, I don't even know if I said it right the first time. Next we have Dream Smoke. Lovely. Oh yes, isn't this beauteous? And she calls, oh well, V for Vendetta, as it should be. I love this thing. And then I think we only have one more probably. Oh yeah, so cute. Look at this, my little snow globe called Snow Fairy. Look how much shimmer there is on this thing. It's everywhere. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, that's all that I have. And let me get you the pricing on these things. Oh no, wait a minute, there's another one. Oh yeah, the second Olaf. I told you I got two of them. 2 snow days anyway. All right, so let's see what we have here and with the pricing. All right, so we have Diagon Alley. That was $5.99. And then we had the little mini. We have Yoda. Yoda was $5.99, I think. Were these all $5.99? We have the 2 snow days. Snow day was, actually they are all $5.99 except for one. So just know that these are $5.99, this is $5.99, this is $5.99, $5.99, $5.99, and then V for Vendetta. That one was $6.99. And then Snow Fairy. Snow Fairy, where are you? $5.99. So everything, all of these were really nicely priced. I love a $5.99 price. $5.99, $5.99, $5.99, $5.99, $5.99, $6.99. So that's it for Aluring Elixirs. And I'm trying to see if there's any information. I know I got them on Etsy, and they do have an Instagram page, but I did not get a card, so I have no card to show you. But that's it from Aluring Elixirs, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.